A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your maths class. Dear children, we have completed your chapter number 5, that is addition and subtraction of greater numbers. I hope you are very much clear with the topic, with the chapter, each and everything. And you are clear with the worksheet which I have sent you in your previous video class. I want that worksheet in your maths notebook, dear children. Now, dear children, today we are moving further, but we will not move on to the chapter number 6 and 7. Chapter number 6 and 7 will be taken in the second semester. Okay, chapter number 6 and 7 will be taken in the second semester. Instead of these two chapters, we will be taking two easy chapters from the second semester. Okay, we will be taking two easy chapters from the second semester, because in your first semester you are already having addition and subtraction. So I don't want to overload you. Okay, so I will be taking 6th and 7th chapter in the second semester, and we will be taking two chapters from the second semester in this semester. Understood, dear kids? Is it clear to you all? Now, let me show you something. See, what is this? This is your maths textbook. Yes. And the shape of it is rectangle. Yes. The maths textbook is rectangle in shape. Let's see. What is this? A small pouch which is circular in shape. Yes. It is in circle. The shape of this box is circle. Yes. So I hope you have understood that which chapter we are going to learn in this semester. Yes. We are going to learn your chapter number 10, that is more about shapes. You will be learning more about shapes. Yes, dear kids. So are you all excited to learn? Let us see. Dear children, let us recall what you have studied in your class 1 by doing this exercise in your textbook of your chapter number 10, more about shapes. Understood? Let us see the exercise number 1. Do you remember you have to match the shapes? Yes, you have to identify these objects and you have to identify the shapes, then you have to just match it. Let us see. The first shape is of a rectangle. Abhi ma'am ne aapko dikhaya tha, hai na? Our book is rectangular in shape. So, where is the book over here? Yes, here it is. So, you will draw a line like this. Next is circle. Now, which object is circle in shape over here? That is your last object. It is a car wheel. So, it is circle in shape. Next, square. All the four sides are equal. Look over here. All the four sides are equal. Square. Okay. So, which object over here is square in shape? That is your first one. So, you will match it like this. Next is, which shape it is? Identify it and tell me the correct answer. That is your triangle. So, here you are having the object that is triangle in shape. Understood? Now, at home also, you have to find out some of the objects like this. Okay? And you have to tell your mom, like, what is the shape of this object. For example, your textbooks, your notebooks. Then you can even take some more objects from a kitchen area as well. Yes, and you can tell your mom that it is circular in shape, it is circle in shape, or it is square in shape, or rectangle in shape. Okay, so this is a small activity which I am going to give you. Okay, dear children. Next is your complete the pattern. Okay, you have to complete the pattern. The first one is square, the second one is circle, again square, again circle. So what will come now? It will come square. So you will draw a square like this. Then after square, circle. So you will draw a circle. Then square. So you will draw a square like this. After square, circle. So you will draw a circle like this. See the next one. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. 2 times triangle. Then again rectangle. Then here only 1 time triangle is given. So we will draw one more time. Okay, you will draw a triangle. Then rectangle. Okay. So you will draw a rectangle, dear children. And after rectangle, again 1 triangle. Because only 1 box is given here. So you will draw only 1 triangle. Like this, you have to complete exercise number 1. And don't forget to do the activity, dear kids. Yes, which I have given you now only in your video class. Okay, dear kids, and I hope you are clear the chapters which we will take in this semester. Okay, dear kids, now we will meet next time with something more interesting in maths. Till then, bye-bye all. God bless you. Take care.